$268,000 in 90 days. We're up $268,000 in 90 days on our $1 million fund. On our 6 trades a day fund, we're up $9,800 in 60 some days, 72 days, which is about 125% rate of return. These results are crazy, crazy. Now, Maria and I have got some, whoa, come on over here. Let me get this thing balanced here. So Maria and I have got some big news. We've got on Monday, we've got a 5-part series coming out, and that's going to tell you everything that we do. It's going to tell you, pardon me, it's going to tell you our trade setups. It's going to tell you how we do 20 million back tests every single weekend. It's going to tell you what we do with the data when it comes out, how we parse it. It's going to tell you how we use AI to take that data and massage it and do some data mining on it. Then we're going to tell you how we take that data through AI again and come up with our trades. You know that we provide you the trades every single week. More on that in just a second. Then we're going to tell you about how we do forward testing. Let me get this thing down here. I can't control it. We're going to do stuff on forward testing and how we take a look to make sure that our back tests are accurate. Then we have a chapter in there also on risk tolerance. And we know that different people have different risk tolerances. I'm old, so I don't want to take as much risk as my 30-year-old son. He's very aggressive. I'm not. That makes a difference. And we run that through AI so that we all have a great idea of how to trade based on the different risk tolerances. That video is going to come out on Monday, 5 different parts, and you'll be able to see it all then. Now, most importantly, 6 and 6. That means on Sunday, we drop the 6 trades a day that we're going to be putting on this week for the $30,000 challenge. We also dropped 14 to 20 trades for the $1 million challenge. Last Friday was the best day that we've ever had in our history. I think in the $1 million funds, we put on 120 or 140 trades. I know we only had 9 losers. That doesn't happen very often, but we'll take it, pennies from heaven. We'll take it when it happens. Now, this week, Maria and I are trading addicts. If you're a trading addict as well, this is a tough week if you're just trading SPX because you're not going to trade at all on Christmas Day and you're going to have a short day on Christmas Eve. We probably won't trade that day. You can check out the channel and I'll tell you if we decide not to. But if you're trading futures like Maria and I are, and Tyler, we'll be trading futures every single day this week. We'll probably be at the Christmas dinner at the table trading futures on our phone. At any rate, if there's anything you want to see to help make the channel better, please just put it in the comments below. Yellow tie today because it's kind of informal. It's a holiday season. Let's all dress nice, look good, have fun with your family, tell them how much you love them because a lot of them you only see once a year and they'll think about you in that light for the entire year, so let's look good. I want you to have a great trading day. Remember tomorrow, Sunday, 6 p.m., we drop all the trades. Talk to you soon.